So the thing is that your customers, instead of Googling, do AI search with LLMs. And right now, the answer to those questions are in the LLMs. So we build the answer trail, which shows exactly how LLM thinks to reveal these answers to customers who would like to buy your services. It takes 2 minutes, and I'll show you. When we try to find some kind of information, usually starting with AI overviews or ChatGPT, we try to look into some kind of a solution, like, for example, me, best project management tool for remote agency to help my friends find the proper one. So if I type it like in Google and I scroll to AI overviews page, I can see one kind of answer. I can review it and make my decision. And then I'll go to like ChatGPT and do the same thing here, opening the answer. Okay, what comes in? Okay, different answers a bit than before, a bit bigger, a bit more. Okay, I can read, and then decide what's in it. And then actually I can go and repeat this kind of thing multiple times. So if I refresh, I'll get again like a different result set here. Now no AI overviews. Now they're coming. Now I see a kind of right. It was never before here. So what we can do with this kind of a thing, because it's unstable, you cannot predict any kind of sales out of it. You make screenshot one time you shine, one time you lose. And in 86% of situation, usually models do not agree between this leadership on the first position, second or third. So every AI answer starts with a search that you never see with a case on example, best project management tool for a remote agency. So I'm typing like best project management tool for remote agency. Okay, I would like to understand if my brand, if it's Monday, it will show up. The next thing I see is actually how AI does the search. This is what we call the fan out or the query exploration happening underneath the query itself. So here, like Gemini did two queries. Additionally, like best project management tool, remote agency, and top project management software distributed teams, which it takes from the brand owned or other sources cited content, mixes it all together, and then decides who will survive the funnel or not. And if you know where the sources are coming from, who is around in the answer, you can actually influence it with spending wisely budget on PR, marketing, link building, SEO, distribution. Who owns the answer? My reply is that the brand which knows where it stands. And you know where you stand when you can compare yourself to competitors, when you can position yourself on the temperature line with the invisible, mentioned, verified, or recommended brands together just to understand how to find out the best topics to write about to win in AI. And all it is possible with just one simple prompt and the brand that you enter. The opportunity comes with discovery, and the discovery comes with the answer trail by Rank4AI. Three real ways that teams can use it. The marketing team can easily run the prompts on the competitors and the customer and inform them on how is their actual visibility in AI channels. The sales team can actually pre-run before they have the sales meeting with their customer and come prepared saying, hey, we know your positioning, we know how you stand, we know your competitors, and we know the gaps you have. So this is the solution we provide you with. And the agencies can actually increase their revenue channel running through their clients, not just with clicks and screenshots, but an actual measurement and reporting. So use for yourself. It's not clicks in a tool, it's a gap that you can close for your customer. So a few things to get most out of it. First, ask enough questions because one is just an anecdote. Make many measurements and then you can come with conclusions. Second one, ask questions in the local language of your customer because that's how actually AI pulls data from. Third one, and the most important, don't fall in love with your results because being praised is actually way less important than being picked. In a nutshell, you answer AI for the answer. AI already has the answer about the brand. Answer trail is the solution which actually discovers this answer and shows the gaps that you have to close. Happy to check. I'm happy to show. Let's do discovery together. Private message me, DM me, comment me, and we will book a call. Thanks, Dmitry from Rank4AI.